Today we will find the value of x if sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x equal to pi upon 2. Solution: let theta equal to sine inverse x, then x equal to sine theta. Now we put value of x in the question, that is sine inverse 1 minus x, 1 minus, we replace x with sine theta, this is 1 minus sine theta minus 2 sine inverse sine theta equal to pi upon 2. Sine inverse and sine theta become theta. Now we write it sine inverse 1 minus sine theta minus 2 theta equal to pi upon 2. Now we transpose 2 theta to right hand side, we get sine inverse 1 minus sine theta equal to pi upon 2 plus 2 theta. Now we further write it 1 minus sine theta equal to sine pi upon 2 plus 2 theta. Now the value of sine pi by 2 plus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. In left hand side we have 1 minus sine theta. Now we transpose cos 2 theta to left hand side, we get 1 minus sine theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Now we use formula of cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta, 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus 2 sine square theta equal to 0. Now we solve it, we get minus cancel plus 1 cancel to minus 1, it becomes 0, and minus minus plus, so we write it 2 sine square theta minus sine theta equal to 0. Now we take common sine theta here, it becomes 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now here sine theta equal to 0 and 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Here we get the value of sine theta, that is 1 by 2. In starting of the question, we say that x equal to sine theta. So here we get the value of x, that is 0, and here we get the value of x, that is 1 upon 2. Now we have two values of x. So which value satisfy left hand side and right hand side equal? We consider that value. So left hand side x equal to when x equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Here we get sine inverse, here we get 1 by 2 and the value of 1 by 2 in the form of sine, that is sine pi upon 6. Now minus 2 sine inverse, the value of 1 by 2 in the form of sine, that is sine pi upon 6. Now we solve it, we get pi upon 6 minus 2 pi upon 6. So we get minus pi upon 6, that is not equal to right hand side. So x equal to 1 upon 2 is not a value of above question. So we take left hand side, sine inverse 1 minus value of x is 0 minus 2 sine inverse 0. Here we get sine inverse 1 and the value of 1 in the form of sine, that is sine pi upon 2 minus 2 Here the value of 0 in the form of sine, that is sine 0, so it becomes 0. Now here is pi upon 2 minus 0, and that is pi upon 2, and this is right hand side. So the value of x equal to 0 is the answer.